I was at work one day and I got a phone call from a 1-800 number, didn't answer. Looked down at my phone, I had 4 phone calls from 1-800 numbers. I picked up the 5th phone call and I think it was Visa. And they said, "Excuse me, is this Miss Laughlin?" And I was like, "Yes, this is." And they're like, "Am I speaking with you on the other line?" Super confused. "No, you're not talking to me on the other line." So this woman who had stolen my identity, she was calling and checking on each of the credit cards that she had filed for, asking why she didn't have them in the mail yet. That day was an absolute disaster. You feel violated, but then I thought that I could handle it on my own, so I started calling credit bureaus. I was doing all the right steps, and it honestly just like spiraled out of control. Absolutely a full-time job, because you have to call during business hours, and one phone call, you'll be on hold for, at least an hour. So it was taking up my entire workday.
I'm fixed. There's absolutely no way that I could have done it alone or trying to do it on my own with the credit bureaus. Overall knowledge and just the human caring, because they understood what I was going through. So thanks to them, I've got my identity back.